Today we are going to see about coordinate system. What is coordinate system? In geometry, a coordinate system is a system which uses one or more number or coordinates to uniquely determine the position of a point or other geometry elements. For example, we take it as a 2D coordinate systems. This is your origin, in other words 0, 0. In this direction we are positioning x and this direction is a y, and this is the negative direction of xy. In 3D coordinate systems, we can see x, y and z in planes. This is called top view, front view and side view. In other words, xz plane, yx plane and yz plane. We are going to separate this coordinate system in a three method formation: absolute coordinate system, relative rectangle coordinate system, relative polar coordinate system. So now we can see absolute coordinate system. It's a system start from origin. Whatever your value you going to mention, everything in start from 0, 0 only, based on x, y, z. In other words, x, y, z. For example, this is a graph. In x direction we have 8 cm. In y direction we have 7 cm. We are going to create a point for 1, 4. In other words, x, y. 1 is x, 4 is y. In this direction, we are going to create a point in direction of x and a y. So 1, 4 is this point and 5, 4 is this point. From x is 5, from y is 4. For connecting it, we are going to use a line. We are going to see another problem using absolute coordinate system. In this, we have PQ in 3 points. We are going to create a triangle. For P, we are going to give 1, 2. For Q, we are going to give 1, 6. And or we are going to give minus 4, 2. In this method, you can see we can give positive and negative value in x, y, z formations. Line is the best method to form a coordinate system. We can use arc also, but line is the best example for it. Before starting your 2D sketch or going to learn a 2D sketch modeling, we used to learn coordinate system is very thoroughly to understand the geometrical methods. Now we move on to relative rectangle coordinate system. Relative rectangle coordinate system are a point located from outside the distance of 0, 0. In other words, in origin position. We are going to form a new start point other than a 0, 0. For example, in this drawing, we are going to create a start point in 10, 10. For each and every input, absolute coordinate is the starting method for everything. For starting input, we are going to give absolute method only. So in this, we are going to give 10, 10. From there, I want 10 centimeter in x direction. I am going to give in x direction value only. Then after that, I want y direction. For y means I can give only y direction only. We can identify this point using rectangle coordinate system. Using the dimension is like this only. We indicate each and every point in relative rectangle coordinate dimensioning method only. We give x and y value. We move on to the next one is relative polar coordinate system. The main difference between rectangle and polar is angle. So rectangle is depend on perpendicular formation of 90, 180, 270 degrees. In polar, we can use each and every angle. You can use 5, 4, 3, 2, anything. So for this, you need a distance and an angle. For example, we are going to create a line in angle inclinedly using origin as 0, 0 and this one as a 3 in angle of 56 degree. So this is the easy formula to view the polar method systems. Generally we are going to use 3 methods to form a drawing. Relative, rectangle and polar we can say a pattern or array methods. In other words, you can see linear and rotational system of the coordinations. Next we are going to see about user coordinate system. So you can see generally in 2D modeling you can view x and y coordinate, and 3D modeling you can view x, y and z. So the z, x, y formation where it faces, it's a positive direction. In this case, this is the positive direction of x, and y and z. These are the negative directions. We can view a coordinated system in an object. So world coordinated system like a space. It have 360 degree movement from x, y, z, positive and negative direction. So using that we creating a coordinate for a space timing. For example, this is the greater example for world coordinate systems. In next section we can see about what is plane of projection.